In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Roblox account on laptop. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The method that I'm going to show you in this video is going to work regardless of the device that you are doing this on. You can do it on a PC, on a laptop, on a notebook, etc. All that you have to do is visit the official Roblox website where you can set up a free account. So all that you have to do, like I said, is to open a web browser on any device and visit roblox.com. So go to www.roblox.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be greeted with the sign up prompt, so you can include your birthday, a username, password, and an optional gender. So go ahead and include all of these details. I'm going to include some random details as an example of what you would be doing, but of course you should take your time and carefully check all of this. So once you have everything selected here, just click sign up and you will be redirected to another page. Wait for this, it could take a while, but basically now you are ready to play. The account will appear at the top and you will have some additional steps such as adding an email and phone number. Right now, the only way you have of signing in is by using your username and password, and if you ever lose access to those, you won't be able to sign in anymore. So it's very recommended that you add an email and a phone number to this account. That way you can use those as recovery options. But like I said, the process is extremely simple. It's fast and easy to do on any browser, on any device. So once you are on this page, you can go ahead and browse through the experiences. It is going to look just like this one here, but of course, this account hasn't finished the sign up process. So I highly recommend that you click on add email and you enter it here to confirm and have a recovery method. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Roblox account on laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.